Frequent hair loss, hormonal acne, or even excess fat can be signs of hormonal imbalance that, if not taken care of, could eventually lead to high blood pressure and thyroid problems. Luckily, there is whole family products, DIM-150. DIM-150 is a unique and natural hormone balancing supplement for both men and women, promoting a healthy balance of hormones in your body by adjusting the balance of bad estrogens to good estrogens. DIM-150 has diindolylmethane compound, which is found from vegetables like cabbage and broccoli. It is used to relieve symptoms of hormonal imbalance and estrogen imbalance. For men, it helps boost more testosterone available in the system to get rid of excess fat and to benefit the heart, bones, skin, and brain. For women, it is proven to reverse symptoms of menopause, aid correction of estrogen metabolism and regulate estrogen production. Use 1 capsule daily, preferably with meals. Whole family products, DIM-150.